This is what a corset looks like here. This is a corset. Okay, so the very first important material you need to make a corset is called a bra cup. So this is what a bra cup looks like. Okay, this is what a bra cup looks like. Now, these bra cups are inserted into your corset, so that you have this shape around the busts. Now, the cups comes in different sizes. I think the least size is 34 inches. And if you go to the market and you want to buy the bra cup, all you need to do is just check, on either the upper part here, or on either the right or the left hand side of your bra cup. Okay, you would see the size of the cup written. For instance, this one is 44. I know we might not see it from the video, okay, but then at least you understand what I'm saying. So one very important material you need in making corsets is your bra cup. Now, secondly, we have what is called your boning. This is your boning. Now, we have different types of boning. This is ridgeline boning. For this one, your sewing machine can conveniently sew on this without damaging the needle or the fabric. Then we have another type of boning that is plastic. That one can only be inserted into the bone casing. So let me still bring back our corset top here. This is the corset top here. So the boning usually is fixed in the bone casing. So I'm sure you can see the black stripes there. Okay, so that's where the function of the boning is to give your top structure. Okay, so that when you wear the corset, the blouse is not folding. The boning gives your corset structure. So that's the function of the boning. Then